Well, hello everybody, and today I am at KLIA or Kuala Lumpur International Airport, and today I'm going to go and plane spot or like spot some planes, you know. Wait. Oh look, what's that plane? What's that plane? I see it looks like to be a Batik Air or an Air India. I see some Batik Airs. Yeah, I think it's Batik Air. I And I think I also see a Malaysian Airlines. Oh, I see another Malaysian Airlines. That's a close up of a Malaysian Airlines 737. I think that's a 737 Max or a 737-800. Cause yeah, man, I love plane spotting. This is like chill. Man, I love plane spotting so much because plane spotting feels just like chill. And I also can see the bus down there transporting the passengers. Wait. Let me go to the Malaysian Airlines. Guys, here is the Malaysian Airlines up close. Wait, yeah. Here's the Malaysian Airlines, and here's another Malaysian Airlines, and there's also another Malaysian Airlines. All of these are like 737 Maxes, right? Man, I love planes. Planes are like the best. And wait, they're gonna taxi, right? They're gonna taxi the plane. They're gonna taxi the plane. Wait, let me get more views of a plane because you know I love planes. And of course, if I love planes, that means I'm an aviator. I'm also a lover of logos and geography and also history, which yeah, that's okay. But let me take some more looks at the Malaysian Airlines. I'm trying to get a more closer look. And here is the Malaysian Airlines. That's a Boeing 737. Another one with a different livery, also a 737. Here's another one, which is I think that's Malaysian Airlines or Tourism Malaysian Airlines. Wow, this is actually my first time seeing a 737 with the Tourism Malaysia livery. This is my first time seeing a plane livery of the Tourism Malaysia. And we got another 737 and another one. And I do see some Air Asia A320s or A330s in the distance. And I do see more planes. You know, I love planes. And thank you for watching. And yeah. Well guys, thank you for watching. And